Does your company pay overtime to its employees? Well, here's some important information you need to know. The big beautiful bill just got passed by Congress, signed by the president, and offers an amazing benefit both for employers and employees. For employees can deduct up to, above the line, up to $12,500 a year for single filers, and for joint filers, up to $25,000 a year they can deduct in the overtime pay. But it has to be qualifying overtime. What that means is it has to qualify under the federal law, which is the FLSA, the Fair Labor Standards Act. The way the feds calculate overtime is more than 40 hours per week worked. Beyond that, overtime has to be paid. For instance, in the state of California, overtime has to be paid by employers if the employee works more than 8 hours a day or 40 hours a week. But only the 40 hours a week is going to something that qualifies under this bill. So make sure you keep accurate records. Talk to your payroll company, make sure they're tracking the overtime correctly, because that has to be reported on the W-2 by the employer correctly. What does this mean for employers? Well, as the cost of living goes up, there's going to be a lot of pressure to increase the wages for employees. And this will hopefully reduce that pressure because the employers are going to have more take-home pay. It's going to keep or help retention of your good qualified employees. In the end of the day, it's going to keep the labor costs down and hopefully keep companies more profitable and in business. Other things you should note, when you're reporting overtime, you still have to withhold payroll tax. It's not an exemption from payroll tax. What it does, again, is reported by the employees year-end. When they file their tax returns, reported above the line, they can report less. They get a deduction, so they report less taxable income, which results hopefully in less income taxes, potentially even a refund for those employees. Definitely want to educate your employees as to how this is going to benefit them so that it will benefit you. If you found this information useful, please share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have a question, leave it in the comments section. We will reply. I'm John Milikowsky, founder of Milikowsky Tax Law.